Dibac has a function that will automatically create the bisector line of an angle. Select the Bisector tool and then click on both lines of the angle. As you can see, Dibac creates the bisector line after clicking on the second line. If I want to extend this line, I can use the Lengthen Shorten tool. I click on the bisector line and then extend it as I wish. The bisector function also works with lines that are not necessarily meeting in a corner. This function will work as long as the lines are not parallel.